On November 15, 2024, I have something new coming up for you. So, be prepared, and I'll see you on November 15.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Dogecoin update. Now it does seem like Dogecoin is really performing very well. Doge is dodging, the Doge is dodging one more time. So very quickly here on the 4-hour time frame, we have a nice good green continuations, and you can see that we're making that 3 white soldiers, which is a continuation pattern at the moment, and that continuation pattern is important to check in as well. So 3 white soldiers here mean that we're going to continue, at least we're going to continue up all the way to 0.18158. So that's where I do see Dogecoin actually going all the way to the upside. And also keep in mind that this is a little bit of a descending broadening wedge that you've broken out of, and the technical target is going to be up to 0.17. and also take stop losses of the bears right over here who are trying to short the coin, and we might actually see Dogecoin absolutely take over, break out, and actually start a nice good massive run to the upside. So that is really good to see and expect as well in the next coming few days. But the real deal is now that I want to see Dogecoin absolutely taking over, take over the whole damn crypto, take over the whole meme coin world, right? And see if Dogecoin can really break above here, retest, and then start the journey all the way back to the all-time high. So this, I expect it to happen, and November is just the very perfect time to do this thing. Q4 is the most perfect time for Dogecoin to do that. If I do go back into history and open up the weekly time frame, the last time that you did a break of the sideways consolidation was back in, when was this, right? So 14th of December. So back in December, you can see how incredibly you pushed above this resistance line, and you absolutely broke and went to the upside. So the monthly is showing that December or November has been the perfect time for Dogecoin to really break above its own resistance. So the resistance that we have now, in the modern time, is this one touch, second one, and the third one. And hopefully, if not in November, at least next month. And next month is already around the corner, so not very far. That's the good thing, especially for those who have been waiting 3 years. Think about it, it's just 1 month away, right? Next month or January or maybe November, because it's already performing extraordinary at the moment. So that's all for the video on Doge, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.